Good morning. After a fairly lackluster week, hopes are for a good rally today, at least at start. Overseas markets are fired up after the European leaders agreed to a new $229 billion bailout plan for Greece that includes private sector support. They also strengthened their €440 billion rescue fund to buy debt of the struggling Eurozone nations. The euro has jumped against the dollar. The yen is down as global investors resume their buying of risky assets. Separately, there are reports that Obama administration is cutting a deal with House Republicans to boost the US debt ceiling and reduce debt deficit by approximately $3 trillion over the 10 years without any immediate increase in revenues. Indian markets will also take cues from corporate results. So far, earnings have been mixed with a few nasty surprises. In the coming days, the focus will be on the RBI's policy action, F&O expiry, monsoon and parliament session. FIs meanwhile seem to have switched to a lower gear. For the Nifty, the level of 5,580 turned out to be a major hurdle on Thursday. The rising support line, which had been providing cushion to the market, has now turned into the resistance. The Nifty closed below 5,550, which kind of puts the ongoing immediate uptrend at some risk. Any pullback towards 5,600 to 5,630 must be dealt with caution. On the whole, the Nifty will see near-term support around 5,500 and resistance between 5,700 to 5,800. FIs were net sellers of Rs 5.77 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were net buyers at Rs 4.08 billion on the same day. FIs were net sellers of Rs 3.64 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 311 million in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 170 million on the same day. Results to be announced today are Exo India, Allahabad Bank, Axis Bank, Colgate, Godrej Properties, Indiabulls Real Estate, Jet Airways, Motilal Oswal, NIIT, Praj Industries, Suskane, Tata Elxsi, Texmaco Rail, Thermax and Union Bank. Reliance Group companies may attract some attention due to reports that a little-known Canadian brokerage has come out with a negative report on the companies. Reliance Industries may also be hit by a report that Saudi Arabia is pushing for the withdrawal of anti-dumping duty on a key raw material for plastics. Reliance has a 70% market share in polypropylene. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying NIIT Limited above Rs 58.5 with a stop loss of Rs 56.5 and for the target price of Rs 62. We advise buying Cipla in the range of Rs 308 to Rs 311 with a stop loss of Rs 304 and for the target price of Rs 325. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Bharti Airtel July futures in the range of Rs 395 to Rs 396 for the target price of Rs 405 and a stop loss placed at Rs 391. Short HDFC Bank July futures in the range of Rs 504 to Rs 505 for the target price of Rs 491 and a stop loss placed at Rs 511. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.